with Arcade Overseas Education, and today in this video we would be discussing the courses, the requirements related to mechatronics. So this video will tell you about the list of the universities plus their deadlines and their intake. So this is a brief idea and some famous university. If you wanted to know more about admission, you're most welcome to contact us. We would be very happy. There are certain different playlists about masters in Germany, bachelors in Germany, and about Europe. So we would be very happy to help you out with the admission procedure. Thank you.